Got a little team, can't forget about Tarika. Cute in the face, show me them Jamaican features. See you in your groove when you posting them pictures. Looking like a meal, kinda like jerk chicken. Let's hit the beat, shawty, let's go missing. Yeah, we can role play, you Stella, I'm Winston.
What's up, peoples? So, today we're in the kitchen, and today we're going to be cooking something yummy. I figured to start off, cooking, I'll make something really easy, French toast. Anyone can make this. It's super easy, super simple. The ingredients are super easy, super simple. Only thing I do not have, which a lot of people do use, is milk. I am lactose intolerant, which doesn't really affect how this cooks, but I just don't buy milk. I don't like the way milk tastes, so I just don't buy it at all. So I just don't have it, and I wasn't gonna buy it just to make French toast. That's a waste. So that's the only thing you're not gonna see me use. But let's jump into this video. So a couple of the ingredients that I'm using today, I have cage-free eggs, brown eggs. I think cage-free tastes the best. Then you have some pure vanilla extract, ground cinnamon. I got some honey. I don't have any syrup. I like honey. Some organic cane sugar. I don't use the white sugar. I think this is much better for you. If you're going to eat thicker sugar, pick some good sugar. And then I use sliced brioche bread. It's pretty thick, and Walmart didn't have Texas toast when I went, so oh well. And then what I'm using in the pan is ghee. I like ghee. It tastes so good. It's like this clarified butter. It gives this natural sweet taste to it. Not sure why it does that, but I like it. My friend used to make this and would give me some all the time. But since I'm all the way in Arkansas, I had to buy it. You can get it at Walmart. I got all these things from Walmart, by the way. And yeah, let's start putting everything together.
Foundation laid, you would think I had it made. I guess I got what I deserve, it's my lemonade. So ironic, I ain't seen you in a minute, and it's so thirst quenching. You arrived, now I'm getting paid. On the gram, half naked for clout. You want the truth, but Einstein couldn't figure you out. Hard codes been froze, niggas ripping it out. So it's no wonder you don't feel it when they digging you out. Ayy, boy said, I just got a handful of spades on the low, but I'm high in the Everglades. Mouth wide, don't bite, you get a text. Take your time, slow your pace, girl, it's not a race. I need more than 5 minutes of fame. Don't be ashamed to say it proud when you calling my name. Unexpected, cause for you they usually all feel the same. But I'm the truth, I never call glass, I just call game. Ride with me, I'ma take you where you shouldn't be. Drip with me, slide on it. Take your time, baby, tell me what you want from me. Sit with me, ride on it. This all for you, don't need a key to your heart. So take your time and realize you need to push it to start. No regrets, no words that we should have said. Just me, you and music, and the voice in your head. It go find that silver lining. I don't even know you like that. Find your love, baby, take your time, baby, take your time. Go find that silver lining. You don't even know me like that. Find your love. Baby, take your time, baby, take your time. Look, foundation laid, you would think I had it made. I guess I got what I deserve, it's my lemonade. So ironic, I ain't seen you in a minute, and it's so thirst quenching. You arrived cause I'm getting paid, but it's okay, I think I knew from the start. Looked in the mirror, saw the truth, they say we are who we are. TGE, we got the juice, my whole life just changed. To tell the truth, I never called glass, but I called game. Ride with me, I'ma take you where you shouldn't be. Drip with me, slide on it. Take your time, baby, tell me what you want from me. Sit with me, ride on it. This all for you, don't need a key to your heart. So take your time and realize you need to put
To go with my French toast, I'm gonna choose fruit. I love fruit, so I bought an array dish of fruit because I didn't have a bowl here to cut up each fruit individually. So I'm just gonna take a bunch and put them in a bowl right here. Got a pretty good assortment here. And fruit is the best thing to eat in breakfast time, so. Here's my fruit salad. Okay, so the last thing is to put my honey on. Let's put this honey on. Here's my breakfast. I have some iced coffee there. Gonna drizzle the honey. The honey is much more healthier for you guys than syrup. And she got some good syrup, but I can't find my good syrup out here. Oh yeah. All done. Alright, well, I'm about to go eat right now because I'm hungry. If you guys liked today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more food videos because honestly, I like to cook and I'm sure everyone else does too. Yeah, that's all I got. Oh, make sure you follow me on Snap, Instagram, and TikTok, all at pretty_RIKA. Pretty simple. I'll tag it below. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Deuces.